Both misplaced and dangling modifiers are words or phrases that just need to be rearranged to help the sentence make more sense. See if you can hear what's wrong with this sentence. After cooking dinner, the dogs went outside to play. Okay, after cooking dinner, comma, the dogs went outside to play. So the dogs cooked dinner, then let themselves out? Not likely. Here's a possible correction. After cooking dinner, comma, she let the dogs outside to play. See, often we can identify a modifying phrase in the beginning of a sentence because it's followed by a comma. Then we can ask ourselves, who or what is this phrase talking about? Modifiers modify. So when you read each word of the sentence, think literally. Think about the exact placement of those words and the descriptive meaning they bring to the sentence. Join me again on FTCE Seminar, a Florida Teacher Certification Exam podcast,